Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about DOM node info. Everything in DOM is object and object contain two things. One is the method and second is the property. So DOM node property have three properties. One is the node name, second is the node value and third one is the node type. Node name contains name of the node. We can retrieve name of the node using nodeName property. Second is the node value. Node value can be retrieved using nodeValue property. It can be text, it can be element or it can be child element. And third one is the node type. What is the type of the node is retrieved using node type. Like there can be various type. So we can retrieve this type of the node using node type. So we are going to retrieve the node value using node value property. In body tag we are going to write paragraph tag which was same in previous example. Now I am retrieving child of the node which is the P. So document get element by id and passing id value which is DOM. So I want to retrieve first paragraph means first child of this paragraph tag and first child is DOM node info. So DOM node info which is the text of the paragraph tag is the first child. I want to retrieve this first child. So I can retrieve this using first child property. Now I want to print this first child text which is the value of node. So I am direct printing using document.write printing one string first child value. X is the node object. I want to retrieve the node value using node value property. So I am directly writing x.nodeValue where x is the node which is the DOM node. We have also retrieved p node using get element by id and it is stored in another node which is the x. Now give semicolon. Save this document using .html extension. Now let's run this. We can see first paragraph is printed which is the simple paragraph and second paragraph or second text is the text written by JavaScript which is first child value using document.write and DOM node info is the node value properties output. So this is the use of DOM node value property. We can retrieve the value of the node using node value property. Here we have retrieved DOM node info which is the paragraph P which contains id DOM and value DOM node info in this example. So this is about DOM node information. Thank you.